In previous class we are discussed about introduction of arithmetic progression, and today we are going to study about general form of arithmetic progression, that is general form of AP. AP means it is a arithmetic progression. Here I have a sequence of numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 21. Here 1 is the first term of arithmetic progression, 3 is second term of arithmetic progression, 5 is third term of arithmetic progression, 7 is fourth term of arithmetic progression, and 21 is the last term of arithmetic progression. 1 is the first term of arithmetic progression, that is A1. A1 means first term of arithmetic progression. Then next 3 is the second term of arithmetic progression, that is A2. A2 means second term of arithmetic progression. 5 is third term of arithmetic progression, that is A3. 7 is fourth term of arithmetic progression, that is A4. Then next 21 is the last term, it is a last term of arithmetic progression, then it is denoting by AN. AN means it is a last term of arithmetic progression. Then next general form of arithmetic progression, that is A1 means it is a first term of arithmetic progression. This first term is denoting by A. A means it is a general form of first term of arithmetic progression. A2 is also denoting by A plus D. A plus D means it is a general form of second term. The next third term, general form of third term is A plus 2D. A plus 2D means it is a third general form of third term. The next fourth term, that is A plus 3D. A plus 3D is the general form of fourth term. The next general form of nth term is AN. General form of nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. It is a general form of nth term. Here we know that general form of first term is A, general form of second term is A plus D, general form of third term is A plus 2D, general form of fourth term is A plus 3D, so on. Here general form of nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is the general form of first term. A plus D means it is a general form of second term. A plus 2D means it is a general form of third term. A plus 3D means it is a general form of fourth term. If they are given fourth term, here we have to write it A plus 3D. Here we have to write previous number of this given term. For example, if they are given fifth term, then general form of fifth term is A plus 4D, because the previous number of fifth term is fourth, that is 4D. For example, general form of fifth term, that is A5, then general form of this fifth term is A plus 4D. previous number of this fifth term is 4, that is 4d. If they told write the general form of 20th term, that is a20, then the general form of 20th term is a plus 19d. Similarly, if they told to find the general form of 30th term, that is a 30, then this general form is a plus 29d. If they told to find the general form of 10th term, that is a10, general form of 10th term is a plus 9d. If they told to find the general form of 15th term, that is a15, means it is a plus 14d. This is all about a general form of arithmetic progression. Now first term, general form of first term is a1 is equal to a means it is a general form of first term. Then a2, general form of second term is a plus d. Then next general form of third term is a plus 2d. A4 means it is a fourth term. Then general form of fourth term is a plus 3d. General form of fifth term, that is a plus 4d. General form of sixth term, that is a plus 5d. If they told seventh term, general form of seventh term, that is a7 is equal to a plus 6d. Similarly, general form of nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here we know that general form of arithmetic progression. For example, if they are given, if a is equal to 4, d is equal to 3, then we have to write the first 4 terms of arithmetic progression by using these two values. Here they are given a is equal to 4 and d is equal to 3. Here we know that a means it is a first term of arithmetic progression, that is 4. Then they are given d is equal to 3. D means it is a common difference. Here common difference is 3. By using general form of arithmetic progression, then next we have to find the 4 terms of arithmetic progression. That is, here we have to find the first term, that is a1. A1 is equal to a, general form of first term is a is equal to, here we know that a value is 4, first term is 4. Similarly, we have to find remaining 3 more terms, that is second term. A2, second term, means it is a second term of arithmetic progression, that is general form of second term of arithmetic progression is a plus d. Here we know that a value, a is 4 plus the value of d is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then next here a1 means it is a first term of arithmetic progression, that is 4. A2 general form of second term is a plus d. Then here we know that a value is 4 plus d value is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then similarly we have to find third term, that is a3. A3 is equal to a plus 2d. General form of third term is a plus 2d. Here we know that a value is 4 plus 2d. 2d means it is a 2 into d. 2 into d. The value of d is 3. 2 into 3. The next 4 plus 2 3 is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Therefore, the third term of arithmetic progression is 10. Similarly, we have to find the next fourth term, that is a4. Now fourth term, that is a4. a4 is equal to fourth term, that is the fourth term. Fourth term a4 is equal to a plus 3d. It is a general form of fourth term. Here we know that a value is 4 plus 3d. 3d means it is a 3 into d. 3 into the value of d is 3. 3 into 3. Then next 4 plus 3 3 is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Fourth term of arithmetic progression is 13. Here we know that four terms of the arithmetic progression, that is first term is 4, second term is 7, third term is 10, fourth term is 13, so on. These are the first four terms of the arithmetic progression. Similarly, we have to calculate next example, that is here they are given if a is equal to 10 and d is equal to 6. Find four terms of the arithmetic progression. Here they are given the first term of arithmetic progression, that is a is equal to 10. The next they are given common difference, that is d is equal to 6. By using these two values, we have to calculate first four terms of the arithmetic progression. Here we know that a1 means first term, that is a is equal to 10. Then second term a2 is equal to, general form of second term is a plus d. That is a value is 10 plus d value is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Therefore, second term of the arithmetic progression is 16. Then next, similarly, we have to calculate third term, that is a3. Third term of arithmetic progression, that is a3 is equal to a plus 2d. Here we know that a value is 10 plus 2d. 2d means it is a 2 into d. 2 into the value of d is 6. 10 plus 2 6 12. 10 plus 12 is 22. Third term of arithmetic progression is 22. Then next fourth term a4 is equal to, general form of fourth term is a plus 3d. Then next here we know that a value is 10 plus 3d means it is a 3 into d. 3 into the value of d is 6. 10 plus 3 6 18. 10 plus 18 is 28. Then next we have to write the sequence of arithmetic progression, that is first term is 10, second term is 16, third term is 22, fourth term is 28, so on. Then next third example is, here also they are given if a is equal to -2 and d is equal to -2. Find the four terms of arithmetic progression. Here they are given a is equal to -2, d is equal to -2. First term is -2, and then they are given common difference is also -2. By using these two values, now here we have to calculate the or find the first four terms of the arithmetic progression. Here you know that how to find the first four terms of the arithmetic progression. That is first term a1 is equal to, general form of first term is a is equal to -2. Then next a2 means it is the second term of the arithmetic progression. General form of second term is a plus d. Here we know that a value is -2 plus d value is -2. Then next -2 plus into -2. If two numbers having same sign, then we have to add and put the same sign. Here -2 -2, these two numbers having equal sign or same sign, minus minus, then we have to add and put the same sign. 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 4. Similarly, we have to calculate next third term, that is a3 is equal to a plus 2d. General form of third term is a plus 2d. Here we know that a value is -2 plus 2d means it is a 2 into d. 2 into the value of d is -2. -2 plus into minus 2 to the 4. Then next here also these two numbers having same sign, add and put the same sign. 4 plus 2 is 6, then it is a -6. Third term is a -6. Then next we have to calculate next term, that is a fourth term. a4 is equal to a plus 3d. General form of fourth term is a plus 3d. Here a value is -2 plus 3d means it is a 3 into d. The value of d is -2. The next -2 plus into minus 3 to the 6. Here also these two numbers having same sign, then add and put the same sign. 2 plus 6 is 8, minus 8. Therefore, the sequence of the arithmetic progression is, first term is -2, second term is -4, third term is -6, fourth term is -8, the next so on. Now we are going to another type of examples. Here they told that for the following arithmetic progression, write the first term and the common difference. Here they are given a arithmetic progression. In that arithmetic progression, we have to find the which is a first term. Then next we have to find the common difference of that arithmetic progression. That is here they are given arithmetic progression. In this arithmetic progression, we have to find the first term and common difference in this arithmetic progression. First term, which is first term, here 9 is the first term, that is a. First term is denoting by a1. General form of first term is a is equal to 9, that is first term of the arithmetic progression is 9. Then next they told find the common difference. You know that D is the common difference. D is equal to, how you are finding common difference? By using a term to the previous, difference between a term to the previous terms. That is A2 minus A1. A2 means a second term. Which is second term? 13 is the second term. A2 means second term. Here second term is 13 minus A1 means it is a first term. First term is 9. The next 13 minus 9 is 4. Therefore common difference is 4. First term is 9 and common difference is 4. Therefore next we have to write it, first term is 9. Then next we have to write common difference. Common difference is 4. Okay students, today we are learnt about general form of arithmetic progression and how to write the terms of the arithmetic progression. In next class we are learning about nth term of arithmetic progression.